Hello friends, my name is Mithun Prakash Bhoi, studying in SAS Institute of Management Studies, first year MMS. Today's my topic is IT skill for management and technology platform. And in this the topic is India really super power in IT sector? The information technology and technology able service IT and ITs sector is a field which is undergoing rapid evolution and changing the shape of Indian business standard. The sector includes software and development consultancies, software management, online services, and business process outsourcing, that is BPO. According to an article in the Times of India, India's liberalization was possible due to IT industry. In 1990s, industries start off with an expert of nearly 100 million dollar without around 5,000 employees. Now it is an industry that thrives globally, and India's IT experts are now around the 70 billion dollar with the 2.8 million employees working in this sector. The article states that IT sector is one of the top two industries in the country today. In Is India really an IT superpower? India is placed at lowly 46th in a ranking of 64 countries in a global study on IT competitiveness. Narayanan Mahadeva tells more. A study commissioned by Business Software Alliance (BSA), a global industry association that campaign the causes of IT, has come out with a surprising finding that India ranked a lowly 46 in the global IT business. It in terms of competitiveness. The study, based on benchmark of countries, was conducted by Economist Intelligence Unit (EIU) for a BSA, and aimed at highlighting the strengths and the weakness of the various countries in the IT business in the both hardware and software. What comes out of the study is a simple truth: software is much more than a coding as a service, in which Indian companies have been excelling. Software engineers at a low cost is the key driver that has marked the rise of companies such as Infosys, Wipro, and Tata Consultancy Services (TCS). But when it comes to output in the global economy, a variety of factors determine output in the terms of value generate in dollar. India and China are definitely counted seriously among the emerging power in IT, but the competitiveness as the defined by the EIU study is a much more complex game. The study measured in 64 countries on the number of factors, including overall business environment, including the policies regime, IT infrastructure involving a feature like a broadband penetration, human capital including the education scenario, legal environment including the patent regime, R&D environment, and the support for the IT industry including features like the ability of finance. With the difference which is assigned for various such as features and their subplots, the study focus on the overall environment that could help countries move up the value chain. Jargon for increasing profit margin through more innovations, patents, better business model, and a deeper skill. The factors that pull down in India are the over business environment, in which Indian ranks 47, and IT structure, in which India ranks is 62. But this should not surprise one because the study uses computers per 100 people and broadband connection 100 people among the criteria. With the more than 100 crore people, any such a factor in India has been measured per billion citizens, and naturally India become larger in such terms. PC penetration for the instance is only 22 per 1,000 people, but the situation is fluid. Fluid country high in the index may not be there 5 years now, remarks Jeffrey J. Hardy, BSA regional director for Asia. In human capital, India ranked 35th 30 35th ahead of China, Malaysia, and the Philippines and Vietnam. But the legal environment India rank is 48 below. It is its overall rank at 46 to its patent regime that does not recognize product patent for software. Also, BSA officials say patent need to be better administered in India because the court's cases can drag on and court are not be best equipped to handle complex cases related to intellectual property rights. Legislation is very good, but enforcement is not good. Is is not as good as it could be, say Hadri. BSA official says India could set up special court to try intellectual properties cases as Malaysia, Philippines, and Taiwan have done to improve the legal environment. The legal environment also impact the research and the development environment, in which India ranked 49th behind the China and Malaysia. The measurement realized on patent field locally through. It is true that Indian engineers are behind the dozens of patents that have been filled by US headquarters companies like Google and Microsoft. Companies may be headquartered in the US, but work gets done all over the globe. In such a scenario, a country competitiveness can be isolated from that of the company as the wages spiral and talent becomes scarce. Patent innovation and the deeper skill may separate the men from the voice of the Indian IT industry. Thank you.